What's happening? What's happening? Come this way. Come back. Come back. Come feed Yellow Duck. Look what's going on. Judah has a herd of ducks and birds following him. A herd of ducks and birds. Wow.
Yellow Duck, he ate it.
Here you are.
Oh, thank you. She might eat it herself.
Yes, it's fresh. She's welcome to it. Judah. Where are you, Judah? Oh, there you are, hiding. Give the Yellow Duck some bread. No, they're all here. Wow. There he goes. Judah, come back.
Thank you.